Arc fault circuit interrupter, or AFCI, breakers are designed to protect against electrical fires caused by arcing faults. If an AFCI breaker is tripping, it indicates a potential problem in the circuit that needs to be addressed. There are several possible causes for an AFCI breaker to trip, and troubleshooting the issue systematically is crucial. Firstly, overloading can cause the circuit to trip. The circuit may be overloaded due to the combined wattage of the lighting fixtures and appliances. AFCI devices are sensitive to overcurrent conditions. Secondly, loose connections can also be the problem. Check all connections in the circuit, including wire nuts, receptacles, and switches. Loose connections can create arcing, which can trigger the AFCI. Thirdly, incompatible devices can also be the reason for this. The ceiling fan with remote control receiver and dimmer may not be compatible with the AFCI device. Some dimmers and electronic devices can cause harmonic distortions on the circuit, which can trip the AFCI. Fourthly, poor quality wiring can also be the problem. Damaged or substandard wiring can cause impedance imbalances that can trigger AFCI devices. Fifthly, electromagnetic interference, or ME, or radio frequency interference, or RFI, from other devices can cause the issue. Electromagnetic interference or radio frequency interference from other devices can affect AFCI devices. To troubleshoot this issue, follow these steps. Step 1. Reduce the load. Disconnect all non-essential appliances and lighting fixtures from the circuit. Try resetting the AFCI breaker to see if it holds. Step 2. Check the connections. Inspect all connections on the circuit, ensuring they are tight and secure. Rotate and wire nuts and terminals if necessary. Step 3. Isolate incompatible devices. Temporarily disconnect the ceiling fan with remote control receiver and dimmer. Reset the AFCI breaker and try energizing the circuit without it. Step 4. Inspect the wiring. Examine the wiring on the circuit for any visible damage or poor quality. Replace any damaged wiring as needed. Step 5. Check for interference. Move any potential sources of EMI or RFI away from the circuit, such as other electronic devices or power tools. Step 6. Contact the manufacturer. If the issue persists after troubleshooting, contact the manufacturer of the AFCI breaker or the ceiling fan with remote control receiver for assistance. They may have specific recommendations for resolving compatibility issues. It is important to note that AFCI devices are designed to be sensitive to arcing and other electrical hazards. While nuisance tripping can be frustrating, it is important not to disable the AFCI protection as it serves as a critical safety feature in residential wiring. When troubleshooting AFCI tripping issues, consider the specific devices connected to the circuit. Dimmers, especially older incandescent dimmers, can sometimes cause issues with AFCI breakers due to the way they chop the voltage waveform. Consider replacing older dimmers with newer dimmer models that are specifically designed to be compatible with AFCI breakers. Also, electronic ballasts and fluorescent lights and some LED drivers can also cause harmonic distortion that can trip AFCI breakers. Consider using AFCI-compatible LED fixtures or replacing the ballasts with newer, AFCI-friendly models. When inspecting wiring, pay close attention to any areas where wires may be pinched, stapled too tightly, or damaged by nails or screws. These types of wiring defects can create arcing faults that will trip the AFCI breaker. Also, look for any signs of rodent damage to the wiring, as rodents can chew through insulation and create electrical hazards. When checking connections, make sure that all wire nuts are properly sized for the number and gauge of wires being connected. Loose or improperly sized wire nuts can create high resistance connections that can lead to arcing and overheating. It is also a good practice to use a torque screwdriver or wrench to ensure that all terminal screws are tightened to the manufacturer's specified torque value. This will help to prevent loose connections and ensure reliable electrical connections. When dealing with EMI or RFI interference, consider using shielded cables for sensitive circuits. Shielded cables can help to block out external noise and prevent it from interfering with the AFCI breaker. Also, make sure that all electrical equipment is properly grounded, as grounding can help to reduce EMI and RFI. If you suspect that a specific appliance or device is causing the AFCI breaker to trip, try plugging it into a different circuit to see if the problem follows the device. This can help you to isolate the source of the interference. In some cases, the AFCI breaker itself may be defective. If you have tried all of the troubleshooting steps and the breaker continues to trip, consider replacing the AFCI breaker with a new one. Make sure to purchase a replacement breaker that is the same type and amperage rating as the original breaker. When working with electrical wiring, it is important to always follow safe work practices. Turn off the power to the circuit before working on any wiring. Use insulated tools and wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves. If you are not comfortable working with electrical wiring, it is best to call a qualified electrician to perform the troubleshooting and repairs. Remember, AFCI breakers are designed to protect against electrical fires, so it is important to take any tripping issues seriously and address them promptly. Do not simply replace the AFCI breaker with a standard breaker, as this will remove the arc fault protection and increase the risk of an electrical fire. If you are unsure about how to troubleshoot an AFCI breaker tripping issue, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician. The electrician will have the knowledge, experience, and tools to properly diagnose and repair the problem. Additionally, consider the age of the AFCI breaker. AFCI breakers, like all electrical components, have a limited lifespan. Over time, the internal components of the breaker can degrade, which can lead to nuisance tripping. If the AFCI breaker is more than 10 years old, it may be time to replace it, even if you have not experienced any tripping issues. When replacing an AFCI breaker, it is important to choose a breaker that is compatible with the electrical panel. AFCI breakers are typically designed to work with specific types of panels, so it is important to check the manufacturer's specifications before purchasing a replacement breaker. Also, make sure that the replacement breaker is the correct amperage rating for the circuit. Using a breaker with the wrong amperage rating can create a fire hazard. It is also a good idea to test the AFCI breaker after it has been installed. Most AFCI breakers have a test button that can be used to verify that the breaker is functioning properly. Pressing the test button should cause the breaker to trip, indicating that the arc fault protection is working. If the breaker does not trip when the test button is pressed, it may be defective and should be replaced. In addition to the troubleshooting steps mentioned earlier, there are a few other things to consider when dealing with AFCI breaker tripping issues. Firstly, check for any signs of water damage near the electrical panel or any of the devices on the circuit. Water can create a path for electricity to flow, which can cause an arcing fault. If you find any signs of water damage, it is important to address the source of the leak and dry out the affected area before attempting to troubleshoot the AFCI breaker. Secondly, check for any signs of insect or rodent infestation near the electrical panel or any of the devices on the circuit. Insects and rodents can chew through wiring and create electrical hazards. If you find any signs of infestation, it is important to address the problem and repair any damaged wiring. Thirdly, check for any signs of overloading on other circuits in the house. If other circuits are overloaded, it can put a strain on the electrical system and cause AFCI breakers to trip. If you suspect that other circuits are overloaded, consider redistributing the load or adding additional circuits. Finally, remember that AFCI breakers are designed to protect against electrical fires. It is important to take any tripping issues seriously and address them promptly. If you are unsure about how to troubleshoot an AFCI breaker tripping issue, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician. They can diagnose and repair the problem.